Hey guys, want to change your phone's location without leaving your home? Whether it's for playing game, keeping your privacy safe, or connecting with friends across the world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your location on both iPhone and Android. And the best part, you don't need jailbreak or root. Today's video is sponsored by MagFone Location Changer, an easy tool that lets you spoof your GPS location with just one click. First, let's go over what makes MagFone Location Changer so powerful. With just one click, you can instantly change your GPS location anywhere in the world. It comes with a joystick control, so you can move around in real time in any direction, just like walking or driving. You can also use two-spot or multi-spot movement to create custom routes and simulate travel between different locations. And you can adjust your speed from a slow walk to up to 100 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for games or realistic simulations. Best of all, it works on the latest iOS 26 and Android 15 devices, with no jailbreak or root required. So whether you're gaming, protecting your privacy, or just exploring apps worldwide, MagFone gives you complete control over your GPS location. Head over to the MagFone website and download the Location Changer software for free. It works on both Windows and Mac. Installation is super easy. Just run the setup file and keep clicking next until it finishes. That's it. The program will be ready to use in just a minute. Once installed, open the program and connect your phone. MagFone will automatically detect your device. In my case, it instantly detected my iPad. Now, if you're using an iPhone or iPad, there's one small step you need to do first. Go to Settings and then Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you'll see Developer Mode. Just turn it on and your device will ask to restart. Go ahead and restart it. After the restart, your device will be fully connected to MagFone. On the map, you'll see your current location. Let's say I want to change my location to New Delhi, India. All I need to do is search for New Delhi, click it, and then hit Start Modifying. And that's it. My GPS location instantly changes to New Delhi. You can even confirm it on Apple Maps. Now let's try another one. I'll switch my location to Mumbai. Same process, search for Mumbai, select it and click Start Modifying. And yes, my location has now changed to Mumbai. MagFone also gives you a joystick control for your GPS movement. You can set your movement speed. For example, I can walk at a realistic 10 kilometers per hour or speed it up to a maximum of 100 kilometers per hour if I want to simulate driving. Another great feature is two-spot movement. Here's how it works. You simply pick a starting point and then select the end location where you want to go. Once that's set, you can choose your movement speed and MagFone will automatically simulate the route for you on the map. So instead of instantly teleporting, it looks like you're actually traveling from one place to another. This is super handy for apps and games that track your walking or driving patterns because it feels much more realistic. And the best thing is, this isn't limited to just Apple Maps or Google Maps. MagFone Location Changer works with any app or game that uses your GPS. For example, let me open a food delivery app. As you can see, it's showing my location as Mumbai, which is the spot I just selected in MagFone. That means whether you're using social apps like Tinder, Instagram, or WhatsApp, your location will always match what you've set in the software. And yes, you can do the exact same thing on your Android phone too. Just connect your device to the computer and make sure developer options are enabled. Once you've done that, go into Developer Options and look for Mock Location app. From the list, simply select MagFone Location Changer. After that, grant location permission and you're done. MagFone will now detect your Android phone and you can change your location just like we did on the iPhone and iPad. You'll have access to all the same features: one-click location change, joystick movement, two-spot routes, multi-spot travel, teleport, and more. So that's how easy it is to change your location on both iPhone and Android using MagFone Location Changer. I'd recommend trying the free trial version first, so you can test it out yourself. And if you like it, you can upgrade to the lifetime subscription, which gives you full access to every feature with just a one-time payment. I'll leave the link down below in the description, so go ahead and check it out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.